Hey, welcome. Today, I just wanted to kind of run through a quick MCP FortiGate demo, and it's pretty simple. I'm just trying to do some stuff in my lab, and you know what? I don't have time to log in, find the policies, build things. So I just spun up my Docker, Claude, and my MCP servers, which literally I'm just using cURL, and I'm going to ask Claude to really connect to my FortiGate Firewall using my REST API token and build exactly what I wanted to build. So what I want to use the cURL MCP that's built in here to create an outbound NAT on my WAN 2 interface to be able to talk to or to be able to access my server on an SSH. So I want to build a security policy that needs to be able to connect to my SSH server on my network using my WAN 2 interface on my FortiGate device. I want to find the external IP address. And I want to NAT that. I want to create a NAT right to an internal server 172.16.10.118 on port 22. But I want the external port to be 2022 itself. So I have the simple Docker, a simple Claude deployment with MCP here deployed. And we're just going to make one prompt and see what we can do. And maybe we'll follow this up with documenting the process for us itself. So at the end, I'm just going to say, hey, I'm even spelling words wrong here, but you can use the curl MCP to make this happen. All right, let's watch this thing in action. All right, first, they're going to create the necessary policies for port forward. So it creates my virtual IP to translate external ports 2022 to 2020. Figured out, let me fix the curl command. It looks like there's some formatting or SSL issues. It goes and executes it. Great, the VIP has been successfully configured. Perfect. Now let's create the firewall policies to allow the WAN 2 interface to SSH. Excellent, create everything. So because we're using curl, we're just making curl puts into the FortiGate firewall using that token or that REST API key that I originally started. Perfect. So now let's verify our configuration by checking the created VIP and policy. So we're going to do a get to validate everything was configured. So it seems like everything was already deployed. Perfect. And yeah, might as well validate it. Why not? So perfect. Let's verify configurations. A couple more curls. Run through my MCP server. Excellent. I've successfully configured your firewall. Perfect. Here's the summary. I love this. That it literally just gives me a whole document for me that I can outline, give to a client, give to whoever needs access to. And I can even go further in this. Can you just draw me a diagram? Let's try that. I'm not going to use any MCP server. All I'm going to do is just let Claude figure out what it needs to do. So it looks like it's building some HTML code for my app. Let me just move this to the side so we can kind of see what's happening here and shrink it. Perfect. Keep on going. You can even actually, I should have done this. Next time I'll make a quick video, but we can send this to GitHub also. Oh, that's better. All right, perfect. So then now we have our video, our ports, our process, our flow, VIP policy, how to connect, everything for us. Perfect. Really the power of MCP and the future it is. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Just a quick video. Give me a shout out, like and subscribe, comment if you have any questions on how to get to